If you bought one too many of these 15-ounce cans of pumpkin puree, I've got an enchilada sauce recipe for you. Put a tablespoon of olive oil on medium heat and put some chopped up white onion in there, either a full small one or half a big one. Let's say 250 grams. Add 4 smashed garlic, cloves, and 3 de-seeded, de-stemmed dried guajillo chilies. When I make red sauce, I usually have to soak these in hot water to make them pliable. The nice part about this quick method is the dried chili is going to soften over the onion steam, saving you a step. From here, you also need to add 2 chipotle peppers, dried and stemmed like the guajillos or the ones from a can. The first time I cooked this recipe, all I had on hand was chipotle powder, and a teaspoon of that works just as well. You can do a half teaspoon if you're sensitive to spice. Add a half teaspoon of cumin and a full teaspoon of Mexican oregano. After about 5 minutes of gentle cooking, you can deglaze the pan with a splash of water or stock and then scrape all the contents into a blender. The first time I made this sauce, I followed a recipe on Hacienda's website. Theirs is made with butternut squash. It is a very tasty recipe and incredibly easy, save for the fact that roasting a squash can take an hour, which is why today I'm opting for a can of pumpkin. Not pumpkin pie filling, but plain, unsweetened, pure pumpkin. Plop the contents into a blender and add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar plus 2 cups of broth or stock, be it vegetable or chicken. Keep an extra cup handy though. This is what you'll use to adjust the viscosity. Blend everything together, adding more liquid if needed, until you have a smooth pancake batter-esque texture. Don't be afraid to blend it long and hard. I have a powerful blender which liquefies everything, chilies and all. If your blender is weak and leaves you with a grainy, gritty sauce, you might want to strain it. I assumed a big-brained, well-experienced cook such as yourself knows how to take it from here. You use this sauce to make enchiladas. They could be the largest format suburban America version or the more old-school style of dipping corn tortillas in sauce and then pan-frying them with cheese inside. Today, I will take a stack of corn tortillas, warm them up first, as has been discussed in detail on this channel before, and then roll them up around a hunk of Munster cheese. Shredded chicken or leftover turkey would be good in these as well. Smear a layer of sauce in a baking dish and then lay each one of these guys side by side. They might not all fit in one lovely row. Add more sauce on top, plus grated cheese, and cover the top in foil. After 15 minutes in a 400-degree oven, you take the foil off, bake them for 10 more minutes, and then they're ready to be garnished with cilantro and then served with avocado. There's going to be enough sauce to make like 3 dozen of these, so I just keep it in the fridge all week. The next morning, I may be in the mood for chilaquiles. I heat up a big portion of sauce until it's simmering and then add thick cut tortilla chips, get them fully coated and soaked, and then plate them up with cilantro, avocado, sunny side up eggs, and crema or hot sauce. And if on the 3rd or 4th day you find yourself with just a spoonful of leftover sauce, you can make a quesadilla with just like a tablespoon of the sauce inside. The emotional roller coaster people get from hearing me say, "Hey, would you like a pumpkin quesadilla?" is a joy within itself to behold. Like, ew, what? Wait, okay. Hold on. The sauce is smoky from chipotles, dark and roasty from cumin and guajillo, and there's a little autumnal sweetness in there from the pumpkin. The fact that you don't have to soak the chilies nor roast a fresh squash makes it so that you can cook this dish now instead of letting that Libby's can languish in the pantry for 11 months. And the fact that this lesson is already over makes it so that you can go start cooking it right now. That goes double for you work from home desk jockeys. You know it, your boss knows it, nobody's getting any real work done till the 2nd week of January. You've got time to cook. Trade has paid to be mentioned at the end of this video. Trade coffee is a good gift because A, the recipient picks out their exact coffee based on their own preferences. B, a subscription to Trade is more personal than a gift card to a place that's going to end up with $1.26 left on it. And C, the subscription can run long past the holiday season, making the recipient remember your personal generosity for months to come. I think Trade is the best way to buy coffee, not just online, but like period, at all. Each bag is roasted to order, and if the first one isn't to your liking, they'll replace it for free until you love what you get. I'm pretty sure it's the only subscription to physical goods that I pay for, and that's partly because they don't make it hard to postpone, reschedule, or take a break from deliveries if your coffee drinking frequency changes over time or throughout the holidays. Right now, Trade is offering 25% off gift subscriptions at drinktrade.com/Shaquille and 20% off gift sets. That's drinktrade.com/Shaquille to get 25% off gift subscriptions and 20% off gift sets. Drinktrade.com/Shaquille. Go get your friends some nice coffee. Ho, ho, ho.